I'm still at it, trying to figure out this final project for COM 306, C++ for programmers. And I'm getting some weird errors. So I've just done some more stuff, just turning things to pointers and updating method signatures, both in header files and CPP files, and doing some odd and sod stuff that has, I thought, got me a little closer. Let me show you what I mean by that. If I compile the code, and I go east, I say no to the riddle, and then I take jar, it freezes. We can see that it just, it got stuck somewhere in, after it went into describe game objects, which is, describe game objects is, it's funny you think I would know the exact spot by now. And I think this is one of the main culprits is this get name method. Where's describe game objects? Okay. Oh, right here, object list. So describe game objects. It comes in here. We print out the debug message, as you can see here. It's being printed out, and then somewhere along the way, we lose it. It didn't seem like we got in here. Otherwise, I should have printed this message out. It's not empty. Otherwise, this would have printed out. And we didn't make it to here because this didn't print out, presumably. So it's somewhere in here, which is why I think the culprit is this get name function. But anyway, that's what happened that time, but let's rerun it. Let's just, save everything up again. Rerun the code. East. No. Take jar. Stuck there again. Okay. Still got to describe game objects. I save it constantly. This is just, even if I don't make changes, just a thing. Let's run it again. East, no, take jar, still at describe game objects. Okay, so all three times we got to the same spot. However, sometimes, one time it happened, but without me changing the code since then, it actually said jar taken. So I was quite shocked. So I'm just going to get rid of some things here. I'll bring them back if need be. Okay. Let's try it again. East. No. Take jar. And still there. Okay. So now we're getting every time. Let's make a single change. Item. Just so we can save it. We didn't actually change anything, but I find this ID to be weird, and little things like this make a difference. No, okay. So it didn't happen this time, but I did get take jar once, which I find odd. So, and I didn't change anything. So where am I? Yeah, I got the jar was taken. And let's take this away. Not that this matters. Let's make that change just so I can change it. Thinking for a while since I made that change. Thinking. That was a big change. Do our whole rebuild. Take jar. jar taken. So jar was taken that time. You know, glass jar. So I'm not sure what's going on, but I'm going to figure it out. I'll keep you posted, but I'm going to save this video right here.